Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to fix a popped seam on a piece of clothing. This can be done with any domestic machine that you have at home. You don't need a serger, all you need is your domestic machine, and we're going to be doing it just with straight stitch. I will be using a different color thread in the video just to show you guys, so it's easier to follow along. So let's get started. So guys, here you can see our popped seam. I'm going to spread it open there so you can see. We've got a hole. So what we are going to do is we are going to straight stitch across here just to close it up, and we're going to line it up where this thread and this thread are to make sure it is seamless on the other side. So what I would recommend is to go back at least ½ an inch back from where this stitching ends, from where this straight stitch ends. So I'm going back ½ an inch. We're going to start sewing there. You're going to see with the white thread, we're going to follow along the line of the other stitches. We're going to follow along straight so that it's a seamless finish on the outside, so it flows nicely. So we're going to start just like anything. We're going to do a straight stitch. I'm going to say do a length between 2 and 3, and I'm going to get started. So we're going to go ahead and sew, do your back stitch, and continue sewing, and make sure that you end up flush with this seam here. And what I like to do is I like to go over it, and then we're gonna reverse. As you guys can see, the stitching is flush here with the other stitching straight stitch, and it aligns here as well, matching up to the stitching. Now, of course, I did it in white so that you guys can see. You will do it in a matching thread. As you can see, it is completely fixed. It's all good, but there you can just see the one. See? So I hope you guys liked my first little video on how to fix a seam. So I'm going to be posting a lot more videos, my first little one, so guys just stay tuned, and there'll be a lot more sewing things and different stuff going on. Peace.